guys, this is Cross Train. Welcome to Cross Train. We are going to have an awesome time today. This is a great class working your cardiovascular, cardiorespiratory system, helping you later in life for better breathing, better energy throughout your day. We are also going to be doing strength as well. So if you have weights, make sure that you have a set that you can lift overhead. And maybe if you need to have different sets of weights, a little bit lighter, a little heavier, that is okay. Hey Jane, hey John, glad you guys are here today. We are gonna get going with a warm up. Here we go, let's march on right here. Oh yes. Here we go, keep marching. How we doing? Air high fives. Whoop, whoop. So the new high five, booty bump, air booty bump, that's a high five, high 10, woo, high 10. Just go with it, play, have fun. Elbow, air elbow, double elbows, 10s. Oh my gosh, happy Friday. Whoop, whoop. Can you just right now gear your brain to just play, have fun, because y'all, this is our playtime, all together, separate, yes? So do your best. Your best is all you can ask for. Are you ready? Step side, step side. Step on out. Let's go, let's go. Start playing on time, a rock and roll. Here we go. Roll your elbow out. I remember y'all had a member show and Stephen Hoffman, and I forget the other guy he was with, but they did the whole Tom Cruise shirt, the song. Grapevine. Let's go. That was Risky Business. You guys remember that movie, Risky Business? That's an oldie, isn't it? Let's go, let's go. Here's 4, and 3, and 2. Now right foot, step front to back, front and back. Right, left, left, right. Right, left, right. Just a little forward and back. Can you add a left knee lift? Good. Start to activate your glutes. Activate your glutes on your right. Stretch your glutes on your left. Let's go. Here's 4 and 3. Lift your left knee up and hold. Find your balance right away. Activate your core. Activate. In 4, 3, step forward. Lift your left. Then right back. Step left and right. Left, right, left. Come on. Could you lift your right knee up? Good. So you'll feel your right glutes start to open up and wake up. Good. Activating your left side. Really good to start off. We're going to incorporate balance all the way through the class. But really good to go right out the gate, working balance. 4 and 3. Now hold. So we're going to do a lot, every component of physical fitness, cardiorespiratory system, strength, balance, flexibility, core, functional movement, step side. Are you glad you're here today? Yes. Here we go. Reach. Same arm, same leg. Lateral reach, lateral. Come on, open up your chest. Now both arms, hamstring curl. Open up your quadriceps, hip flexors. Step and reach, single, step, step. Now both arms, hamstring. Yes. Single, step, reach. Yes. Both arms, hamstrings. Flex your foot. Single, single, step, reach. And both, hit, hit. One more time. Really good to open up the posterior side of your body, as well as the anterior, front to back. And step out and hold. Walk forward. Oh yes. we have any guitar players out there? Air guitar players. Come on, let's go, let's go. Hit. Any players? Woo. Heels in front. Heels, heels, heels. Get the dorsiflexion in your feet. Now, your right foot, I want you to go front to back, front. We're gonna work on a little bit of speed. Come on, abs in, abs engaged. Let's go, let's go. Come on, dorsiflexion in your foot. Now, hold on back and reach. Reach forward, come on, dynamic stretch, dynamic movement. All 10 toes forward, same direction. I want you to feel your Achilles on your right, glutes on your left. Come on, it's 4, 3, 2, hold here, hold. Open up your arms, float your right leg up, feel your hip flexors. Lift, tap down, open your hips. Reach your arms forward, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs apart, squat, reach. Let's rotate, left to right. And here, right here, you're gonna feel your obliques. Lift your left heel, rotate, pick up something, put it away. Let's go. Let's add a balance, 4 and 3. Yes, now hold at your top, hold, find it, find it, find it, find it. And 4, 3, heels in front, left, right, or right, left. Your left leg, front, back, abs in, chamber hold. Come on, feeling the heat a little bit through your lumbar spine and your hips. Come on, go 4, 3, yes, yes. Right or left leg back, reach. All 10 toes, same direction. Feel your Achilles on your left, your calves, your hip flexors, your glutes on the right. Go 4, 3, 2. Now ready, hold forward, hold. Reach your arms up and back. Float your left foot off the floor and lift. Bring your arms back in front. Challenge your balance. Do the best you can. You're at home. The best you can. Stick with me. Come on. Legs apart. Come on, squat. Yes. Good. Legs apart. Let's go right to left. Right. Left. Cross, training your body. Add your right heel as you rotate over. Feeling your transverse abdominals. Can you add your right leg up? Yes, yes. 4, 3, 2. Holding at the top. Find your balance. Engage your core. Engage, engage. Yes. Step side to side. Woo! Come on, in 4, 3, 2 steps. Knee up. Where's my girl Sandy Ross? Let's open your hips. Really good. Gauge your balance. Abs in. Engage your core. Come on. Tall spine. 4, 3, 2. Step out wide. Lift. Step out and lunge wide. Reach. So again, big dynamic flexibility. We're going to be training all areas of your body. Upper body, lower body, and your core. So here's the deal. Very key that we get your muscles loosened up. Awake the cells in your body so they can function much better for you. Could you add rotate, lift, rotate, lift. 2 more times, go. Yes, yes. And up, open your hips. Good, reach right and left. Lowering down. Come on, come on. Your tall arm Elbow is straight. Could you touch the ceiling with your fingers? Reach for the ceiling. How high can you go? This is awesome. Core warm-up, core mobility. Yes. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms back. Toe, heel in. March. Oh, I forgot to ask you, it's your tracker on. Do that, okay? Walk up, walk up. Walk back. Yes. Walk up. And back. Good, walk up, heel toe, heel toe. Yes. Walk back, toe, heel, so you don't trip. Could you walk or run? Walk back or run. Let's go, let's go. Walk or run. And again, come on. Walk or run. Yes. And again, let's go. Walk or run. Good. 2 steps right. Yes. Good, good. Good. Again, 2 steps. Hold here. Left foot, front, back. Go, go. Front, back. Come on, come on. Bigger movement. Bigger movement. 4, 3, 2. Left side out, out, in, out, in. Or, yes, shoot hoop. 4, 3, 2 steps left, 2 right, 2 left, 2 right, last 2 left, right foot front to back. Pick up your knee, arms, opposite, reach, pull. Yes. Come on, 4 more times. 4, 3, 2, right leg side, out, out. Or work on practicing a little bit of plyos. It's healthy for you. Arms up, lift. Lift. 4, 3, and march, march. Woo! Deep breaths. Walk up or run. Come on. Back or run. Listen to you. Could you add some arms? And back. You don't have to run. You can walk. And back. All right. 2 steps, go. And 2. And 2. Left foot front back. Let's go, add your arms. Yes, come on. Let's go, let's go. 4, 3, 2. Left side out. Come on, open your arms. Or, shoot hoop. Come on, there's 4, 3, 2 steps left, 2 right, 2 left, right foot, front, back. Come on, bigger arms. Let's go. Really great core training. Right, out, 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 in, or add plyos. Shoot hoop. Yes. 4, 3, run forward or walk. Run back. Ready? 2 steps right. Yes. 2 right. Left heel. Bigger, bigger. Yes. Left foot out in or quick movement. Out and in. Work a little plyos. Shoot hoop. Let's go, let's go. Here's 4, 3, 2 steps left, 4, 2 right, 2 left, right foot front, back. And let's add your arms, hit. Yes, yes. Right, out and in, option 1, option 2. Run up, to you. Let's go. Step side. Woo. Let me get some hooks. Hooks. Come on, come on. Is my buddy Pete out there anywhere? Anybody? Pete, Brenda. Every time we do boxing, I always just picture Pete in the ring. So fun. Come on, go to hook. Or at a boxing bag. Yes. Go to uppercut. March. 2 steps or shuffle. 2 shuffle or step. Let's go. Left front to back. Bigger. Add your arms. Left foot out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Or both. Shoot some hoop. I can see Sherry. Woo! Shuffle or step. Switch. Fast feet. Right foot front to back. Let's go, go. Oh yeah, I can see Tom going, oh yeah. Quick out and in. Or what's your option? Or what's your option, Sherry and Sandra? Yes? Shoot some hoop. Woo! Walk or run up. Walk or run back. All right, team. One more time up. You can add arms if you like. Go back, go back. Ready? Cross your body, good jab. And we're gonna get ready. Heading right into our strength. Does that sound good? And again, mixing up some cardio jams. Uppercut, hip, hip. 4, 3. Abs in, go. Stabilize your spine. Pull your abs in. Let's go, let's go. Here's 8, 7, 4, 3, and deep breath in. Exhale. Grab your weights, grab a sip of water. Are you ready? It's your life. You make it what you want. You design the life you love. You designed it in the past, but guess what? The past doesn't matter. You designed your life right here, right now. All up to you. You have the power to design your health, don't you? Yes? So let's rock this. Let's rock this together, but separate. But in our hearts, we are so together, aren't we? All right, so check it. Are your toes and knees going the same direction? Are you pushing your hips back? Let's rock this, let's go. Toes up, come on, push your hips back. Shoulders back. Sit. And again, your legs are so strong. And you know what? Keep squatting, keep squatting. Women, a lot of women, your legs are so strong, but our upper body gets weak. Therefore, we have poor posture and we have back issues. Let's change it, yes? So, here we go, upper body. Yes, yes, yes. Come on and lift up. Draw your elbows up, flip. Lift overhead. Elbows in, flip, let's go. Oh, strengthen your upper body. Strengthen your upper body. If you were to peel all the layers off your body and you were to be a skeleton, what holds those bones together? What helps your muscle skeleton system? It's your muscles, isn't it? Right? So strengthen your muscles to strengthen your bones. Keep your body upright. Deal? Let's go faster, 4 times. Again, 2 more. 1 more like this. Good. Now hold, shoulders back. Push your hips back. Toes, knees going the same direction. Could you go down a little lower? Stand up, stand up. Good, sit down, use your legs. Legs, legs, legs. And up, up, shoulders back. Let's go, pushing your hips back. Stand up. Yeah. Come on, come on. And up, toes are forward, sitting back. Can you see your toes? Can you see your shoelaces? Do that 2 more times, team. Come on, come on. 1 more time like this. Upper body, let's hit it. And not only your upper body, but this is your core of your body. Working through your cervical, thoracic, lumbar spine, abs. Pull your abs in. Let's go, let's go. Breathe. Can you breathe though? Yes? Come on, 2 more. 1 more time like this. Slow down, slow down. Slow lift. Slow down, slow down. Hold here, hold. Lift your chest taller. Drop your tailbone about 1 inch. But notice, I'm not bouncing. It's a small movement. Come on, find your strength. Pull your abs in, abs in. Come on, 2 more like this. Stand up tall, yes. Sit down, let's go. Drive through your legs, not your back. Stand up, not your knees as well. Toes and knees are forward. Stand up. And ready, sit on down. Stand up. Add your squat, regular tempo. Yes. Let's go, let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up tall, upper body, let's go. Core of your body. Are you doing each and every part? What do you think? I remember when I played this mix, Ricky, remember Ricky and Bill? She was just singing along to this song right here. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, honey, honey. So is little Kimmy, our Kimmy friend, singing along. Oh yes. 2 more, 2 more. 1 more time. Easy, sit down. Stand up. Now ready? Easy, sit down. Weights in front. Stand up with a clean and press. Ready? Sit on down. Hold. Stand up, clean and press. Hoo-ah. Guess what? We are so there, so there. Da 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 da. Clean and press. Woo! 2 more like that. Hold. Stand up, clean and press. Yes. 1 more time, team. And stand up. Awesome. Place your weights down. Grab a sip of water. So check it. Right knee. Left. Reach your tall arm up to the ceiling. Option 1. Option 2. Knee goes to the shoulder in a plank. Open your hips. Oh yes, oh yes. Ah. Come on, team. Woo. Yes, yes, yes. 4, 3, 2, and let's march. Up or down, your pace, your level. Step side to side. Nice and easy. We're gonna do another round, just like that. Sound good? You have the option to stand or the option to go in a plank. Here we go. Are you down in your plank? Same move. Elbow to knee if you're standing, or down. elbow to knee. Oh, yes. Come on, team. 4, 3, 2, and 1. March, march. Oh, yes. Step side to side, nice and easy. Oh, yes. Here we go, here we go. Moving on, moving on. A little cardio, is that a deal? So, let's go. Your best, your best. So, here's your jam, here's the deal. Your mind might be saying, I've had enough. But your body says, I can do this. It's mind over body, all right? It's your health. Take charge of it, team. Come on, let's go, let's go. Step and reach. Or option, lean, crossover. Let's go. Pull across. Use, whether you're stepping, pull from your abs. Let's go, let's go. Here's 8, 7, and 4, 3, 2, step side, nice. Come on, hamstring curl. Look through your quads, open up your back. 4 more, here's 4, and 3. Walk up, and back. Let's go. Can you walk and kick? And back. Left foot, right back. Hit. Come on. Balance as you kick. Tall. Engage from your abdominals. Come on, come on. Now, left kick, right back. And back. Front to back. Front, back. Let's go. 4 and 3. I want you to hold your right leg back. Hold, hold, hold. Pound, pound. Come on, curl with your back leg. Curl, curl. Hit, hit. Let's go. 8, 7. Come on, team, your best. 4, 3, and 1. Here we go. Dig, dig. Left arm. Let's go. Hit, hit. Switch sides. Go. Dig down. Dig. Power, power. 4, 3. Tap your toes. Little breather. How's that heart rate? Good. Tap outside. Arms up. Option 1. Option 2. Let's go. Let your heels meet the floor if you're doing jumping jacks. 8, 7, and 4, 3. Step left. Step left. Because guys, your left leg is your lead leg. Walk up. Lift your right knee. Lift your left. Got it? Left leg is your lead. Could this become a kick? Could it go back? What do you think? The height, up to you. Feel your hamstrings. Are your abs in? Get your body in control. Yes. So good for you. Come on, 2 more. Right kick, left back. Come on, come on. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. 4 more. 4, 3, and 2. Hold your left leg back. Hold. Left arm. Pound. Pound. Curl with your left foot. Curl. Let it flow. Yes. Stabilize on your right. Yes. Come on, team. Your best push off. Here's 8, 7, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo, how's that heart rate? Yes? Tap your toes. Breather. Side out, side out. Option. Option. Yes. Let's go, let's go. Here's 8, 7, 4, 3, march. Woo! Catch your breath. Grab a sip of water. We're gonna go back to strength. Deal? So, when you're ready, 4, 3, legs apart, weights in, and up. Legs apart, get out of your knees. Legs apart. Again, let's go. Now, when you go down, place your left weight down. Right body. Notice my body's going straight down. Transfer your weight to your left leg. Down, up, center. Load up on your left leg, center. Notice I'm going straight down, straight up. Now here's your option. Reach. Down, load up on your left side, team. Yes. Abs in. This is awesome for your core. Core strength. You warmed up your core. And now, let's strengthen your core of your body. What's your core? Muscles all up and down your spine that protect your back. 2 more. 1 more like this. Awesome. Place your weight in your left hand. Bicep curl on your left. Lift your left knee out wide. Wide. Abs in, abs in. Yes, yes, yes. Stay nice and tall. 4 more like this. Here's 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs wide. Grab both weights. Option. Reverse fly. Up for 2. Down 2. Push-ups. If you want to rock push-ups, go now. Let's go. 2, 2. Or you're up in your reverse fly. Come on, come on. 4 more of your best. Abs are in. Come on. Here's 3. 2 more, team. 1 more time. Yes. Legs apart. Sit down. Toes are wide. A little bit. Push through your heels. Stand up. All legs. 2 more like that. Here we go. Stand up. This time, let go of your right weight. Stand tall. Here we go. Load down, up. So option, stay on the right. You don't have to go far. Option, load up a little more. Push your hips back. What could we do with your left arm? Some of y'all are probably already there. You're like, I'm not waiting. That's okay. That's what I love about you. Is you know automatically where to go, don't you? And you take whatever challenge you can do. Not what you're not ready for, but what you can do right now, right? That's the beauty, team. Woo! Let's go. 2 more. Load up on your right glutes. 1 more time. Right hand, bicep curls. Add your right knee. Yes, yes. So good for your body. So good. Come on. Last 4 like this. Here's 4 and 3. We're going to go into triceps, and then we're going to repeat that over. So either 1 weight or 2. Are you set? Let's go, let's go. And lift. And up. Come on, team. Your best. So, so good. Elbows forward. 4 more. Here's 4 and 3, 2. Hold halfway. Chest is tall. Small lift. 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your weights on down. Here we go, in march. Walk up, 8, 7. Walk on back. You can walk Or can you run? Yes? Come on. And run. Yes. Do that again. Let's go. I'm going to repeat what we did earlier. Are you ready? 2 steps or shuffle. Left foot, front to back. Big arm cross. Lift your leg. Lift. Yes, yes, yes. Left foot. Step out, step out. Option. 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 Ha. Yes. 2 more, 2 more. Step left or shuffle. Option or shuffle. Yes. Right foot front to back. Cross your arms. Let's go. Front. Pick up your knee. Yes, yes, yes. Right leg out to the side. Where can you go? Where can you go? Start plyos. Or, can we go one more round? Walk or run. And back. Walk or run. And back. 2 steps, right or shuffle. Option 1 or 2, you're in a shuffle. Left foot front to back. Cross your body. Left leg out, remember option 1, low impact, medium, or high. Come on, 4, 3, step 2 or shuffle. Right foot front to back. Let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, team. Let's go, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, right leg out. Option 1 or 2, Sherry and Sandra, or 3. Yes. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and march. So good. Grab a sip of water. All right, you ready? Getting your weights. Legs are wide. Deep breaths. Really good to recover. The recovery is key. Come on, deep breaths. Bring your arms in front. So we're going to repeat that cycle. Lower and upper. Biceps, chest. Lower and upper. Biceps, triceps. Sound good? Place your left weight down. Load up on your left side. Option. Come back to center. Option. Yes? But notice, you gotta use your legs. Your back just follows, but the leader are your glutes. So you're pushing away from your knee and up. Push away from your knee. Okay? Let's go. Come on, you should be feeling your left side glutes. 2 more. 1 more time. Good. Weight in your left hand. Here we go. Let's bring your arm and knee forward. Yes, yes. Maybe you want to kick. Just getting a nice good dynamic stretch and strength. Here's 4, 3. Grab both weights, or here's a fun option. You can alternate single, okay? Or both, or push-ups. Push-ups, go. This time, a little faster range. Come on, let's go. Hit, let's do this. Let's go, team. Can you rock? 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your weights down. And go ahead and grab onto one weight in your left hand. Lower down. Center out. Load up on your right. This is a beautiful option for my level 1 friends. Or, a little lower, the height you can go. Use your right glutes. Again, right glutes. Push your hips back. Up, load up on your right side. Right side, team, come on. Hit. Come on, let's go, let's go. Oh yes. Load up on your right, team. Woo! Come on, you can do this. 2 more. One more. Weight in your right hand, transfer the weight. Arm forward, add your knee. Find your balance, engage your abs. Could you kick? This is fantastic for you. Do you realize how awesome it is? So good. 2 and 1. Grab your second weight. Tricep kick back. So you can do it standing. You don't have to hinge forward. But I want you to squeeze your triceps, release. Squeeze your triceps, release. So the only way your bones can get strong is by strengthening your muscles. So many times we take a pill for everything, and then we end up needing more pills and more pills. And if your doctor said you have to take them, please do. But add in exercise. Please, please add in strength training. Please keep up with your strength training. You have your muscle skeletal system that craves you to strengthen your muscles. Deal? Give me a wink, give me a smile, give me a thumbs up, and be proud of what you're doing right here, right now. Yes? Let's go. And place your weights down. Grab a sip. We're gonna go one more cardio blast. Does that sound good? One more cardio blast. Step side. Yes. Come on, come on. Cross your body. Like you want to reach and pull, reach and pull. Can you add? Let's hit this. Eight and 7. Walk up, walk up. Left kick, right back. Left kick, right back, go. Left kick, right back, hold. 4, 3, 2, hold your right, find your balance, find it. Dig, pound. Hamstring curl, back leg, go. Push off your left foot. You have 8, 7. Left leg forward. Push down. Yes. Speed up. Left leg forward. Right back. Hit. Let's go. Come on, team. Let's go. Left knee lift. Come on, there's 8, 7. Just power. 4, 3. Now hold. Right. Walk up left. Kick right. Left leg back. Come on. Right leg back, or sorry, right front, left back. Yes. Abs in. Come on, 4 more, like this. 4, open your hips. Hold, left leg back, hold. Find your balance. Let's hit this. Curl your left foot. Hamstring curl. Come on. Power. Push off your right leg. 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, back. Punch it, hip, yes. Let's go, let's go. And down, yes. Let's go. And down. Can you do that one more time? Yes, you can. Right knee lift, hip, cross your body, pull, pull, like you want to knee somebody. Ha! Let's go, there's 8, 7, listen to your spine, 4, 3, and hold. Come on, hold. Step side. Woo! Great mind, let's go. 4, bring it down. Grab your weights, round 3. But get a sip of water. Here we go. Legs are wide. Arms in. Push your hips back. And up top. Abs in. Protect your spine. Go where you can go. If your back feels grouchy when you go down low, don't go down low. If your knees feel grouchy, don't go down low, okay? Listen to you. But we're gonna go 2 more. And then I'm gonna ask you to place your left weight down. Here we go. You remember where you're going, don't you? You remember. You know, this is the 3rd time through. You know where to go. Come on, glutes, go. So many awesome benefits to this team. You have 4. Your best. Come on, come on. Awesome. Bring your weight in your left hand. Hammer in. Cross your right or left knee. Good. Come on. Yes, yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. So option, stand. Option, midway, option down. Good, good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stand up tall. Weight in your left hand, let's go. Lunge right. Yes, yes, yes. Feel your glutes on your right side. Woo! Ah! Come on, team, your best. Come on. 4 more. And 3. 2 more, 2 more. Ah! Feel your right side. Actually, you know what? I think we need 2 more now. What? Switch sides. Oh. Add your right knee. Yes, yes. Come on, come on. Come on, elbows in. Different areas of your biceps that we need to get. Here we go, so option, option, option. Wherever you can go to. Yes. Here's 4, 3, 1 or 2 weights overhead. 1 or 2. Let's hit this. Oh yes, come on. You can do this, team. You've got this. Let's go. Hit. Hit. Come on, you're there. You're there. You're there. You're there. Let's go. Let's go. Here's 8, 7. Come on, 4 more. 4 more. Here's 4, 3, and 1. All right, so I want you to grab both weights. We're gonna just do one more set, biceps and triceps, okay? Here we go. 8 in the front. Working both at the same time. 2 more, 2 more. Good, ready? Shoulders are back. Let's hit this. Back. Back, yes, yes. Come on, here's 4. And 3. 2. And 1. Place one weight down. Bring your weight in front. Here we go. Squat down. Reach over. Can you rotate? Now, can you add your left leg? Rotate over. Great core mobility, stability. And if it's too much with the weight, set it down. Okay? 4, 3, working your hips for your core. 1 more. Hold, balance. 8, 7, relax your shoulders. Come on, 4 more like this. Here's 4 and 3. Now option, here we go. Pull right, pull left. Or option on the floor, right and left. Your best, team. Come on, come on. 4 more. 3, 2, 1 more, 1 more. Come on up. Here we go. Reach up overhead. And down. Open up your hands. Have a seat down. Stand up. Reach over. Add your pivot. And down. Can we go faster? Up and down. Good, good, good. Listen to your body. Can you add your leg? Yes. Or not. Stay where you're at. 1 more. Now, I'm sorry, now 1 more. Now hold and lift. Let's go. Right side. Feel your hips. Yes, yes. Come on, come on. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your weight in. Awesome. Step to your right. Step left. Now, when you step right, circle left. Step left, circle right. Working through transverse abdominals. Abs in. Good, just spending a little bit of time. 1 more time to seal the deal for your core. One more each side. Awesome. Go ahead and place your weight down and stand up nice and tall. I'm going to switch this out. Here we go. How are we doing? That feel good? Woo, you have worked all the major muscle groups in your body. So good. Here's my favorite song. My name's Sherry's best friend song. Here we go. Bring your hips out. Abs in, abs in. Here we go. We're gonna get ready with a nice big, tall, deep breath in. Reach your arms up. Exhale, open out, bend your knees. Straighten out your legs. Roll up 1 vertebra at a time. Reach your arms forward. Inhale. Exhale. Hands down. So good. Opening your shoulders, opening up your chest, upper back, and lift up. Awesome. Turn your right toes to the side. Left toes are forward. Arms are open. Stretch your fingertips out. Allow your left hip to go on over. And then I want you to reach down and stop here if you need to. Or could you go down a little bit lower? And I want you to feel your hips in through all that fascia layer that's in through your abdominal wall. Or bring your leg out farther, go down a little deeper. You'll feel in your hamstrings as well. Bring your left arm back behind you. Can you look up toward the ceiling? Bend your knees. Go to the center. Roll your body up. Shoulders back. Turn your left toes to the side. Open up your arms, relax your shoulders. Send your right hip on out. Lower down. So arms should just stay. Feel your hips and obliques. Or you can bring your legs out further and go down. Just find where you can go. Opening up your right shoulder behind you. Can you look up to the right side? Good. Bend your knees. Go to your center. Roll up. Now bring your legs a little wider than hip distance, like you're on railroad tracks. Slide your right leg back, heel is lifted. Reach your arms up. Settle in, and I want you to feel your hip flexors. Open up your hips. Bring your arms behind you. Open up your shoulders. Good. Slide your right leg back in. Push your hips back. And I want you to feel your hamstrings on your left side. If you can go lower, go lower. Good. Bend your knees and roll up. Legs apart. Slide your left leg back. So your heel comes up, but all 10 toes same direction. And I want you to feel your hip flexors on your left side. Reach your arms up, relax your shoulders. Feel at your hips, arms back behind you, open your shoulders. Deep breaths in. Exhale. Good. Slide your left leg in, all 10 toes same direction. Push your hips back. And I want you to feel your hamstrings and glutes on your right side. You feel that? Could you go lower or stay? Up to you. And bring both legs in. Roll up one vertebrae at a time. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale to your right, up to the center, and then over to your left. Come back up to your center, arms back. And I hope you're proud of yourselves for how awesome you did today. I want to thank you all so much for playing, and I'll see you all next week. Christina will be here tomorrow, and then up next is Alex. So make sure you say hi to Alex, Level 1 Strength. Love y'all.